Welcome to another Love to RV Alaska Tour video number 35. We have concluded our trip with our group. We are in Prince George, British Columbia. We had to stay a couple extra days because the fires in Jasper. We were planning to head that direction. So 14 of us stayed an extra 2 days. Someone's birthday was on one of them days. The balloons didn't hold up very well, but it was Trina's birthday. So we had a birthday dinner for her with the remaining folks that stayed around. So they stuck around for an extra 2 days or so. And we had a nice dinner and great people. So the next couple of days we're traveling home. So we leave Prince George in British Columbia and we started heading toward the Jasper area. Now, there was multiple fires all over the place. Yeah, helicopter with a bucket, not the best picture. But there was fires as we cruised down Highway 16. And then we ran into hellacious rainstorms. It just started pouring. And that's a good thing for all the fires. A little bit of the transcontinental highway of Canada. It's 4,859 miles long. It's 7,800 kilometers. It was finished in 1971, the whole portion. A lot of it was finished in the 60s, smaller portions. We stopped at this Crazy Creek suspension bridge and RV park. It had a hot springs also. Very nice location. Kind of an unplanned stop, but we stopped there. The only bad part about this little stop, they had a train that went right next to our campsite. That train was like on the hour. Yeah. This was the Crazy Creek suspension bridge. And we're in our Honda Element heading to explore the sights and sounds of Alberta, Canada, and BC. We're going to Lake Louise. Trey and I were there in 1993 in the winter, where it was just frozen solid. Parking to get in this place is crazy. You gotta park and get shuttled in. Right before you enter this area, there's a nice shopping mall, shopping center, get supplies and stuff. You're doing a lot of walking. And fortunately, we had our handicap placard, we remembered for a change. Still look at the walking to the Fairmont Hotel back there and just to the lake. It's still a pretty decent walk to get to these places. This is Lake Louise. There's also a ski resort here, of course, huge hotel. And we are here in July, and the crowds and the bus tours are coming in like crazy. That water is crystal clear, and that water is cold. And here's our chalet, Lake Louise. It's a Fairmont hotel chain. Again, the water very clear. Got that greenish tint to it because it's glacier fed. There's the hotel. People kayak here because it's sheltered. Some other pictures of when I walked a little distance away. Went down to the The river exits. Glacier's way at the other end. Just some nice little pictures. The cloud formation to the mountains. There's the Fairmont Inn, the chalet. Lake Louise. Welcome. On my bucket list place I want to see. Didn't care about the crowds. It was kind of a drizzly day. But overall, it was just nice to see. Someone said this gal was a YouTuber influencer. I don't know who she was. I don't remember her name. But anyway, canoeing. When you get the opportunity to go in the hotel, everything blocked off, so you really couldn't get into the hotel. And us at the lake. So just a great place to sit back. There's a bunch of hiking trails here also that people mentioned to go do them. Hopefully in the future I'll be able to do them again. Or do them. Didn't get the opportunity this time. But again, the scenery is a key thing around here. This is our drive away from Lake Louise, heading back to our campsites. See the smoky air, still a lot of fires in and around the area. And we left our campsite and started heading home near Cranbrook area. And this is the KOA Cranbrook, full hookups, rated 9.9 overall, just because it had gravel. This is St. Jean's Church. It was right next door to the KOA. It's right next to a casino right there also. So we're heading home. We are still a long ways to go. Boardman, Oregon. Check out this Mexican restaurant. And check out this picture. Look hard. Look at that picture, how they engraved the singer and the young lady. And out of his ears, a little person coming out, and there's churches. Really gotta look at it. It's kind of cool. And it was total all hand painted. The food, oh yeah, beans, rice, taquitos. Getting closer. Klamath Falls RV Park. Heading home, and of course, good old Mount Shasta. If you're from local here, you know we're really close to home. Took Mark West Springs home. Not the best way with an RV and tow vehicle. And getting our driveway, you gotta make it a swing around here. And it looks pretty crazy, but it's pretty easy to get into. But watch it, watch it. Ah! Anyway, it's our long driveway or road to get into. And yes, we are home. Long trip, 8,600 miles, home to home. Beautiful trip with Fantasy RV Tours with 52 days of it. We've gone 86 days, 1,081 gallons of diesel, $4,911, and overall mileage 7.9 miles per gallon. So we are home. I would do that trip again, yes. It was a fantastic trip, fantastic people. We only had one tire blow. We had to replace 2 front tires. And overall, everything else worked great with the RV. So putting her home, putting her away. Great trip. 85 days away. The homesteaders did an awesome job taking care of the house. Again, thank you for watching our videos. There'll be more videos to come, so subscribe, like, and comments. Safe travels to all.